Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making gochujang stew with beef. This is hearty and packed with savory Korean flavors. It's perfect for a cozy meal at home. Let's get started. We're chopping all the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. At the minimum, you want to include white onion, zucchini, potato, and tofu for this recipe. Today I'm also adding Korean radish and mushrooms, which I had on hand. Which vegetables would you add or leave out? Let me know in the comments. Any cut of beef would be fine for this recipe. Today I'm just using 3 ounces of brisket, but you can definitely add more if you want yours to be more meaty. This is sesame oil and avocado oil. We'll start by browning the beef. Then add the whites of the scallion and gochugaru. Stir for half a minute. Then add gochujang and garlic. Continue to fry over medium heat. Then add sugar and Dashida. This is 2 cups of rice water, but plain water would also be fine. We're adding the root vegetables first: onion, radish, and potato. Cover and simmer for about 5 minutes. You can use fish sauce or salted krill, which I'm using today, and black pepper. The zucchini and mushrooms go in. Cover and simmer for another few minutes. I added the tofu and taking a taste. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Then top off with green onion. Wow guys, this smells as good as it looks. Serve with rice and your favorite banchan. This is a hearty and comforting meal and packed with spicy umami flavor. Hope you try this recipe for gochujang stew and let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.